In this next video, we're going to illustrate how to operate the MTS system. So the mixed transferring system has spray lights, or transfer lights. It has a tank basket feature. It has a mixing hopper feature and a transfer pump feature. And this controller is simply for diagnostics on the engine. The engine goes from idle to 2,800 RPMs. This particular engine does have glow plugs and requires a preheating process, as you can see count down. Typically you want to let any diesel engine run to 3 to 5 minutes before you ramp it up to operation speed. This engine has just run, so we can ramp it up early. The process for this system here, overhead lights. This is going to revert mixing basket. In this particular case on the mixing basket, you do have a manual valve as well. So you'll need to open that manual valve in order to get this electric valve to send fluid back to the tank basket. Next step here is to turn on our mixing hopper. And ramp the engine up to speed. This valve here allows you to be able to wash down the sides of the basket. Turn that off, you can actually watch the water drop out of the hopper. You want to let the water completely drop out of the hopper before you turn this back on. You also have a feature on this valve. If you turn it the other direction, this line runs down to here, which feeds a bottle mixer, so you can actually clean out your bottles. This is now dry. Turn that back on. And now this system is ready to start mixing. Now in this particular case, the way this system is wired, you do your mixing practice, the system is pre-mixed, your solution is pre-mixed in the tank. When you're done with that process, you turn these two off. Just like so. Now as we come over here, it's really hard to see the screen. The air rack system is now ready to be functional. There's a little bit of setup here, but it's fairly simple. To start a batch mix, right now we're set at 50 liters. You hold down this arrow button, and it will start a mix. See that? Very difficult to see. There it is. Once it hits 50 liters, bing. You heard the pumps kick off, and the fluid volume stopped. There'll be a little fine tuning here between the fluid within the line and the time that it takes for this check valve to stop. So there is obviously a little bit of lag here. Reset, hold down this arrow, and then it allows you to come in here, and if you want to go from, say, 50 liters to 150 liters, hit OK, hit start, and now we're going to start mix transferring. Mind you, this is a little slow because we're running it through the Venturi. If we bypass it and put it in the transfer mode and shut this valve off, 100 gallons per minute, it's going to bump up to nearly 200 gallons per minute on the flow. This feature is you don't have to revert to the other panel to control the system. You can control everything right here on the meter itself. Close. There it goes. Last little volume. Flow through the line. Escape, then it resets the values. You can do this over and over and over again. You can simply adjust the amount of literage if you have a different batch mix rate. If you're doing 1-to-1, we recommend not going over 3-to-1 ratios on your batch mixing. Specific chemicals are more viable to have other types of reactions. So you certainly want to consult your PCA in regards to what's ethical.